Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to improve Xbox Series graphics with best display settings. Go to settings from top right, then go to TV and display options. Now select the resolution as highest value, then go to device control. Now click the checkbox of HDMI checkbox, then click on other devices can turn console off. Then go to back and click on 4K TV details. Check the details here and go to back. Now click on calibrate TV, next, next and next. Check everything and go back. Now go to video modes. Now click the checkboxes as per your monitor capability. Now click on video fidelity and overscan. Display drop down, select as auto detect. Now select the color depth as 24 bits and color space select as standard and click the checkbox of apps can add a border. By following the steps, you can improve Xbox Series graphics with best display settings.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.